Alright, now let's go ahead and replace the spark plugs on the 2011 Chevrolet Cruze. So the spark plugs are always located at the middle of the engine. So as you can see, there's no engine cover, but there is a small cover here. We could see a separation. So to remove these, they give you an arrow here. So let's remove that and see what we see behind it. Okay, perfect. So it exposes the ignition coils. These are different. These are an actual coil pack, so all the 4 coils are together. They're not individual like the other ones we saw. So let's go ahead and remove the coil pack. So let's first identify the fasteners holding them. So that looks like a Torx, one here and then one here. Let's go ahead and find the right Torx to remove these. All right, let's go ahead and try to find the Torx holding these. T45, no, too big. Let's try a T40. Okay, perfect, fits snug. Let's go ahead and crack it loose with our 3/8 ratchet. Like so. Let's go ahead and crack the other one loose. Alright, perfect. Now we could zip them out with the cordless ratchet. There you go, pretty long bolt. Let's get the other one. Alright, there's the second one. Alright, now there's no more bolts holding the coil pack. So when it was the individual coil packs, it was easier to take off. These are going to be a bit harder because we need to take off all 4 at the same time. So we're going to wiggle back and forth and then pull at the same time. And we should be able to free it. Okay. There you go. Now the whole coil pack is free. So as you can see, all 4 in one rail. So let's put it to the side. Alright, now we have direct access to the spark plugs. They're all the way in there. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So let's go ahead and remove them. So to get to these, we're going to use our 5/8 spark plug socket, an extension, and our 3/8 ratchet. So let's go ahead and crack the first one loose. Alright, let's zip it out with the cordless ratchet. Alright, now we got the plug. First spark plug is free. Alright, now let's take our new spark plug. This one is going to be a single platinum. Go ahead and open it. Make sure the gap is not too close to the tip here. Looks okay to me. Now we're just going to put some anti-seize on the threads, and then we're going to be able to put it back into place. Now let's put a little bit of aluminum anti-seize on the threads. You don't need much, just a bit. That's it. Now let's put the new spark plug on our spark plug socket. Now let's start threading it in by hand. So it should go smoothly. If you feel any resistance, back out and redo it. We don't want to cross thread spark plugs because it's going to be a bad day. Okay, now that we're sure it caught a few threads, now let's go ahead and run it down. Okay, now that it bottomed out, we're going to switch to our 3/8 ratchet. Let's put it into on. And now we're just going to go a quarter turn to half a turn just to tighten it. And that's it. So this is a different procedure where we have the coil packs all in one. All right, and that's it. That's how you change spark plugs on this type of car. So we have direct access to the other spark plugs, so the procedure is going to be the same. All right, and that's it for the spark plugs replacement on a 2011 Chevrolet Cruze. All right, after we're all done replacing the spark plugs, we could go ahead and put back the coil pack. So line up all the coils in the hole. All right, I'm gonna press down, make sure they sit. And we're just gonna start the bolts by hand. All right, let's slowly run them down. All right, they bottomed out, and we're just gonna tighten them by hand with the 3/8 ratchet. Okay, so once you feel some resistance, let's go half a turn. And that's it. Now we could put back the cover. And that's it, we're all done with the replacement of the spark plugs on a 2011 Chevrolet Cruze.